morning dears. In geometry class, last time we have completed up to question number 10. Look at question number 11. You have a picture sum. A figure of square is given. But this question number 11's answer is wrong. So you don't go with the answer. You just have a look here. Question number 11. We have a square. That is ABCD. AC is a diagonal and DX is not a diagonal. It is a DQ is a line. Clear? Now this is P. This angle is 105 degree. Now you have to find x, y, z. Where is x? This is x. And then this is y. And this is z. Clear? Now, it was 105. Now. This full angle is 105. This full is okay. Leave. Now you see the triangle. In triangle DPC, this triangle, I'm coming. Angle DPC will be 180 minus 105 degree. They are forming straight angle. This full is straight angle only, na? So this will be 75 degree. We got this angle is 75. As AC is a diagonal, so that's what angle DCP will be half of 90 degree, 45 degree. Now this we got 45, okay? So what will be? So Z is equal to 180 minus 75 degree plus 45 degree, or 180 minus 120 degree is equal to 60 degree. We got the value of Z 60 degree. Done. Now come here to get Y. From figure, angle ADC is 90 degree. So that's what Y is equal to 90 degree minus 60 degree is equal to 30 degree. We got Y. Now we know these angles are, the sides are parallel. So if this is 60, what will be this? This is 60 alternate angle. So this gives you 120 degree. If not, you see this is 105, this is 45. As this is 45, so this is 45. This is 90. So what does it give you? 150 plus 90, 240 degree. We know sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So x is equal to 120. Is up to you what you are going to use. See, to find x, we can write it again. CD parallel to AB. Done. So that's what angle PQA and DQ is transversal. So angle PQA is equal to angle Z, alternate angles. So that's what angle PQA is equal to 60 degree. So X is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree, 120 degree, straight angle. Or other option to get X in quadrilateral, you can get X by this way also. In quadrilateral PQBC, angle P 105 degree, angle C 45 degree, angle B 90 degree. So angle Q, which is X, is equal to 360 degree minus 105 plus 45 plus 90, as the sum of interior angle is 360 degree. So this gives you 360 degree minus 140 degree. So 120 degree. It's up to you what you are going to use. Okay. So X answer is matched from the book, that is given 120, but Z and Y cannot be 45 degrees as QD is not diagonal. Okay. Question number 12. Look at the question. In the figure, PQRS is a rhombus and SRB is equal to 68 degree. Find X, Y and Z. Look at question number 12. Number 12. P, Q, R, S. This is B. This is Z. This is Y. This is 100 degree. This is A. And this is X. Done. Okay. Given PQRS is a rhombus. Angle SRB is equal to 68 degree. Okay. So what will be angle to find X, Y and Z? Now what will be angle RSP? From figure, angle RSP is equal to 180 degree minus 68 degree, that is adjacent angles because they are. So this gives you 112 degree. Now SQ is a diagonal. So that's what angle Y is equal to angle Z is equal to 112 degree by 2, as diagonals bisect the angle. This gives you 56 degree each. Y we got 56, Z we got 56, because this is also 56, this is also 56. or if not in this way, SQ is not a diagonal, we can write this is 112 we got, or instead of writing this, you can write this is not wrong, or you can write, you see, angle SRB is 68 degree. That's what angle SPQ also would be 68 degree. Opposite angles. You write this only. That is nice. SP is equal to PQ. This side is equal to this side. Sides of rhombus. So that's what angle PSQ will be equal to angle PQS is equal to 180 minus 68 by 2, or 112 by 2, or is equal to 56 degree. So Y is equal to 56 degree, Z is equal to 56 degree. Better you write this. Now once we got Y and X, Z, this two we got. Now this work is over. Now come to the triangle ABR. Okay, this is 100, so this would be 80 degree. Doubt? Now this angle will be half of 68, 34 degree. So what will be X? We can get, is it? Again in triangle, ABR, angle A is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree, straight angle, so that is 80 degree. Angle R, half of 68 degree is equal to 34 degree, so that's what X is equal to 180 minus 80 plus 34 degree, 180 minus 114 degree, what is equal to, this gives you 66 degree. X is 66, Y and Z is 55 each. Write it please. Now come to the question number 13. In the given figure, find all the angles of the kite BAD. Now, angle BAD is angle BAD, angle ADC, angle BCD and angle ABC you have to find. You can see in triangle BAD, angle D is 50 degree. So, angle B would also will be 50 degree. See, look at question number 13. It's a kite. This is equal to this is equal to this. Clear? This is like that. So it is BADC. BADC. This is given 50 degree. Clear? So this would be 50 from figure. ABCD is a kite. Clear? To find angle BAD, comma angle ADC, comma angle DCB, comma angle CBA. Done. Now in triangle ABD, angle D is 50 degree, AB is equal to AD. So that's what angle B also would be 50 degree, or angle A 180 minus 50 plus 50 degree, or this gives you 180 minus 100 degree or 80 degree. So we got angle BAD is equal to 80 degree. Now this angle is given 30 degree, is it? Again, in triangle, again, in triangle COD, angle O is 90 degree as the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. Angle C 30 degree, so that's what angle D would be, 180 minus 90 plus 30 degree. So 180 minus 120 degree, 60 degree. This angle we got 60 degree. So what will be angle CDA? So therefore angle CDA is equal to 60 degree plus 50 degree, 110 degree. Similarly, angle CBA also would be 110 degree. That's what angle CBA is equal to 110 degree. Opposite angles. Now come to this. We have got 110, 110, 220. This one we have got 80. So this will be what? 60. This is one option. Second option, diagonal bisect the angle. So therefore, is it? Angle. So angle BCD is equal to 180 degree is equal to 360 degree minus 110 degree plus 110 degree plus 80 degree, or 360 degree minus 300 degree is equal to 60 degree. Got all the angles. Look at the last sum. In the kite ABCD, AD is 5 cm, AO is 4 cm. Find the length of OD. AO and AD is 5 and 4. So what will be the length of OD? Pythagoras theorem. We know x squared plus minus b squared is equal to b squared. So this will be 3 cm. And find the measure of angle AB. Now AB will be what? Again AB will be, AB is equal to AB. So AB is 5 cm, that is understood. AOB is already given 90 degree. So number 14 you do. After that we have next exercise, that is chapter 17 construction. We'll be doing it in the next class. Till then you just keep practicing. Question number 14 you have to complete dear. Because AB is similar to AD 5 cm. Angle AOB is 90 degree and the length of OD will be 5 square minus 4 square under root 3 cm. That is Pythagoras theorem you have learned. So for today this much only. Thank you.